What's up everybody? This is Video Reborn. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Yeezy 350 V2 clay colorway. Now I just got this today and this is the exclusive regional release for American continent, the North and South America. Now let's do this unboxing. I bought this directly from adidas.com because they have 7 days return policy in case if there's any fitting issues. If you buy directly from Yeezy Supply, that's like no return, nothing. And I actually waited 2.5 hours on adidas.com to get in line to purchase it, and I used like 5 computers to do it. At the end, only 1 computer was able to get through. The other 2 was get through only maybe at the 3rd hour. So this is the box of the Yeezy 350 clay colorway. It says Boost. Yeezy Boost 350, made by Adidas, adidas.com/Kanye. That's a little bit different from my other Yeezy 700 Inertia. Okay, all right. According to Adidas suggestions, this is a size 10, and this is like a half size to 1 size up due to the snug fit. Now let's get this started, man. This unboxing here. Whoa, that's a beauty. They wrap it individually. Okay. Alright, so the first one we have here, this is the clay color. This is burning hot, man. Now, I strongly suggest you to go to access with an iPad or iPhone with the latest version, iPad Pro or the iPhone XS or XR or 10, in order to view this colorway. Because I'm looking at the screen and the actual product itself, the colors is slightly different. What I'm seeing on the screen right now with my OLED, it's a little bit less orange or brownish. But when I'm looking at the real lighting, this thing is burning hot, man. I'm telling you, this orange piece is translucent. You have the Boost foam in the midsole, and then another transparent wrap-around rubber material underneath. And then it says here, Boost, okay? And then on top is the Prime Knit. Over here, you have a highlighter type of orange color. I would say neon orange. And underneath, you have these orange color. I think it's some kind of padding. All right, and then there's the mesh material that's translucent. Another breathable material over here. It's a soft suede material with breathing holes, and it covers the whole toe box as well as the heel section. So it's a really breathable material. It's beautiful. And to me, this thing looks like a Dragon Ball shoe, you know, those worn by Gohan and Piccolo from Dragon Ball Fighters. Again, this is a size 10, and you have the lace in kind of like brownish orange color. Within it, it says typically made in China, all right? And then let's see the midsole, the insole. Now that's the midsole, okay? And then this is the insole. The insole, it's like pinkish orange color with Adidas Yeezy underneath it doesn't say Ortholite compared to the 700. Okay, Yeezy 700 inertia. This is, I think it's a lot more thinner, okay, but still look good. I think this is like the Ultra Boost version of it. MSRP 220. I think it's already sold out. Now let's look at the right side of the shoe. So that's how it's being wrapped. Nicely done. Okay, that's the right side of the shoe. Again, with the pull tab orange neon color. And then the translucent orange type of clay color, but I would say this is not really clay color. Imagine that you're in a barbecue stove. You have like a burning infrared type of illuminance, you know, and it's burning, it's heating up the shoe. It's fire burning hot. I actually love this colorway in real life. Now let's put these two shoes together and then take a look. And then I think the padding here is a lot of cushions at the back. Now this colorway, let me tell you, man, I've never seen this so far. This is unique. It's hot again. This unique skin tone colorway is very sensitive to the ambient light settings, especially the white balance. And most of the cameras might not able to capture it, and also the display might not be able to display correctly. Picture like this one resembles like a human organ in a greenish way, depending on the lighting. Well, put down in your comment section what you think about this picture as well as this picture. This one looks sexy to me. Alright. Again, this is only for North America and South America, American continent. Now, do you want to cop this? It's already been sold out. For mids, the adult size, and then the kid size and toddler size. Alright. Now, let's try to put these on. This is my first pair of Yeezy 350 V2. The colorway is infrared burning hot. It also resembles skin tone color, which in certain angle, as I said, looks like some sort of human organ. Alright. Overall, I love the comfortness, the boost on the midsole. It feels like walking on a cloud. And I jumped on it. It's so high. It is so satisfying, man. The breathability is also phenomenal too. It's much better than the 700. This is why I love this shoe, and I actually pay with my own money without any sponsorship. So if you like it, please subscribe and thumbs up. Thank you for watching. This is Video Reborn. Enjoy this Yeezy 350 V2 clay colorway.